solamente. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm on a mission. 5, 6, 7, 8, ain't no competition. 9, 10, 11, 12, making all my billions, looking good as fuck. And to all my hates, my ass keep kissing. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm on.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Dage, Big Bhlue the Brat. You can call me this or you can call me that, because it's always this and it's never that. And we are back with another Hair Diaries video. So if you want to see how I styled this wig, keep watching. Okay, so boom, step 1 is flay out your part, okay? So it was already in the middle part. If you already watched me install the wig, or if you've seen the last video, you've seen it was in the middle part. If you haven't, the link is going to pop up right here on the screen somewhere for you, so you can just go and watch me install the wig. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Now, what you see me doing is tracing out my part, because I'm about to put my wig in a C part. And I already have started parting the wig. Don't mind that. Y'all know I be forgetting to turn the camera on, so I don't want to hear none of that, okay? I remembered to turn it on in the middle of me parting out the wig, okay? So, boom. That's what y'all finna see me do. Y'all just finna see me actually just define my part, put it in a side part after it was in the middle part for a week, okay? Okay, so boom. Next, you finna go in with that wax stick, okay? Finna take that wax stick, and it's finna lay that shit down, okay? It's finna lay your shit down. Finna have your shit flat, crispy, shiny, all that in one. So, boom. Go in with that wax stick, okay? Boom. Then, after you go in with that wax stick, you do what? Boom. Get that hot comb. Make sure it's hot. Make sure it's hot. You see me waving it, okay? Now, when it's real hot, it sound like that, right? So, you gotta be real careful, because you might burn yourself with the motherfucking hot comb. You don't want to burn yourself with a hot comb, because that shit hot. That shit hurt. It don't feel good. And then you're gonna be walking around with a black spot. So that's why you see me looking like that. I'm going, If you grew up with how I grew up, baby, my real hair used to get hot combed, okay? So if you done had a silk press with a hot comb before, you know the fear, especially over there by that ear. Boy, I tell you, okay? That's why I'm making them faces. I'm scrunching up like that, because I'm trying to make sure, because that shit hot. I know y'all see the little smoke coming. Okay? Boom. So, once you do that, ooh, watch that ear, girl. Watch that ear, girl. Ooh. Okay, boom. Then you're going to see me go to the top and do the same thing, okay? So you just going to take that hot comb all around where the part is, and you're going to lay the hairs down with the hot comb, because the heat, you see that shine in the wax stick, it not only give you that shine, but it give you the sleekness, it give you the flatness. That way, when you ready to go in with your flat iron, your curling rods, your flexi rods, whatever, your crimp iron, boom, your part is already there. Now, if you want to, you can go in with some concealer. Now, y'all know this my wig. So, y'all know with my wigs, I don't really be doing the concealer and all that. I don't be doing the makeup on the wig. Now, if you want to, and you just gonna keep your wig like this, and you not like me, you not gonna flip it, switch it, put a reverse in it, and slide in like Missy Elliott be doing, don't worry about all that. But if you want to, you can. So next, what you finna see me do now, I'm finna take these scissors right here, right? Ooh, scratch my eye. Gotta watch yourself. But I'm finna cut out my little edges or whatever, my little baby hairs. And then, boom, see how I did that? Real quick. Nothing too major, because I ain't finna be doing all that extra with the baby hairs today. So, boom. Got my little roll bounce going on. Got my little jelly roll. Okay, anyways, boom. You see, I go in with the itty bitty flat iron, right? And what I do, y'all know I curl going up. Because if we curl going down, boom, you're going to be like James Brown. Black as fuck in the face. A spot, okay? Then, I'm going to take this Gorilla Snot. Ooh. I had to blow my nose. I gotta get some Gorilla Snot. Then you only gonna put it at the top part. You're not gonna put it over all of the hair. You just only gonna put it at the little top where you see me putting it at. You see I ain't put it down there with the curl at. And I'm listening to music, y'all. So that's why I keep dancing, because of course the music is playing in the background, but no copyright. So if y'all want to hear your girl Big Daja, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, go to Apple Music. Your girl Big Daja got the album dropped out, built different, because bitches is built different. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, back to the Rex Scary program. Boom. So boom, you see me take the little comb, swoop, 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 swoop. That's how I do my little edges or whatever. Cause it's nothing too major. And this is the same wig, y'all. This is that same wig from Meli Ada Hair. I'm gonna put the little specs in the video for y'all. But yes, it's the same wig. And this how the little edge came out. So if you done, you really could just stop right here. But me, you know, I like having sideburns because in real life I got sideburns. My hair grow all the way down past my little ear in the front. So I'm just, you know, mimicking my real hair with the wig, basically. So that's why you see me doing the sideburns. But you don't necessarily have to do sideburns, okay? You ain't gotta do sideburns. You could just stop where I was at and call it a motherfucking day. But if you want your wig to look like how Daja wig came out, do what Daja did. And no, I did not pull the hair all the way through the hot comb. What I did was I rubbed the hot comb on the top of the hair because a bitch not trying to burn herself, okay? That would not look right with a big black spot right there on the side of my face like that. So I just take the hot comb, rub it on top of the hair, a couple of passes on top of the hair because it's already hot. Then boom, takes the scissors, cut down the length that I want, then take that little bitty flat iron and curl up. And then after I do that, all I'm gonna do is take that gorilla snot again, do the same thing I did the first time, repeat, okay? Wash, rinse, repeat. We doing the same thing. So that's how we got it going, okay? Boom. See? Boom. And then you see that small itty bitty little drop? That's all you need. You don't need all of it. Less is more, okay? Less is more. And boom, I'm just finna do the same thing all over again. Let me put my britches up. Then boom. Swoop, 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 swoop. Okay, boom. Then I'm finna fix my little curl because, you know, I'm twisting it around. And then boom. That's how I get my edges like that. And then after that, all I'm finna do is spray your girl down and then that's it. And then that's all I'm finna do in this video because all I'm finna do is show y'all how I put the side part in there after it was in the middle part. So if you want to see something extra, you got to go to the next slide, go to the next video, and do whatever you got to do. But for right here, I just showed you how I put that side part up in there and how I did them little edges on the side and that little sideburn. Okay? Okay. So, yes! NST, popping, pop my shit, fuck, you talking about, okay? Yeah. I'm still fucking with the little curl or whatever. Putting my little swirls in there because I'm trying to make it look like a little Tootsie Roll swirl, like a little, yeah, I'm gonna put a picture right here so y'all can see what I'm trying to do with it. But this is basically how you get it. And this how I did it. I don't know how y'all did it. If y'all got some tips and tricks for me to try to teach me something, you know, let me know. Because Daja don't be knowing everything. But this is just what Daja did so Daja could get this wig to come out like this, okay? See how flat that part is? Boom. And y'all know this wig was big as heck. This was a big-ass helmet on my hand. Now it don't look like a helmet no more. So at this point, you can either flat iron it, pop your curls in there, pop some more layers in there if you want to. I didn't do that, again, because I was just showing y'all how I put the side part in my head. But I mean, if y'all like this video, if y'all want to see me do some more stuff with my wigs, playing my hair a little bit more, try another wig out. Just keep on watching and stay tuned because y'all, I am going to give y'all an update and a wig review and let y'all know the real deal specs on this wig and how I liked it and everything. But if you made it all the way here to the end, thank you for watching. And again, it is your girl, Big Daja, Big Bhlue the Brat. You can call me this or you can call me that because it's always this and it's never that. And I'm checking out. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.